Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest updates. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic. 5 best VPNs for watching Netflix anywhere in 2024. If you've ever been frustrated by geo-blocks while trying to watch your favorite shows on Netflix, this video is for you. Let's get started. We've all been there, getting excited to watch a show only to see that dreaded message. This content is not available in your region. That's where VPNs come to the rescue. VPNs, or virtual private networks, help you bypass these restrictions by masking your IP address and making it look like you're browsing from a different location. But not all VPNs are created equal, especially when it comes to Netflix on your laptop, phone, or smart TV. So let's dive into our top 5 picks for 2024. Let's break it down with quick pros and cons for each VPN, along with their speed, security, ease of use, free trial options, smart TV compatibility, and also important pricing. Speed. ExpressVPN has the fast speeds, NordVPN has occasionally slow servers. Surfshark and Proton VPN have fewer servers than some competitors. Security. ExpressVPN has excellent security, NordVPN is reliable, and Proton VPN values a strong privacy. Usage. ExpressVPN and CyberGhost are user-friendly. NordVPN has great support features. CyberGhost has limited advanced features. Surfshark has unlimited connections, and Proton VPN has 10 connections with the cheapest paid option. Free trial options. NordVPN and Surfshark have free trial options. CyberGhost only has a 24-hour free trial, and Proton VPN is the only one with a free unlimited trial version. Compatibility. Proton VPN, NordVPN, and CyberGhost have Smart TV, Android TV, and router compatibility. CyberGhost and Surfshark have additional Amazon Fire TV compatibility, and ExpressVPN also has Apple TV compatibility on top of that. Monthly price. CyberGhost is the most expensive with €11.99, followed by ExpressVPN with €10.95. NordVPN and Surfshark will currently cost you €9.99, and the cheapest at this moment is Proton VPN with €8.99. And there you have it. Our top 5 VPNs for watching Netflix anywhere in 2024, along with their pros and cons, pricing, free trial options, and smart TV compatibility. Whether you're traveling abroad or just want to explore different Netflix libraries, these VPNs will ensure you never miss out on your favorite shows. If you value speed and ease of use, Proton VPN or ExpressVPN might be your best bet for a budget-friendly option and strong privacy features, where Proton VPN is the cheapest. We will leave the choice up to you, of course, but Technology MAS 520 has selected Proton VPN as the winner. Which VPN are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.